Hello, my name is Irene Aldridge, and I'm a founder and president of ETF Pick. ETF Pick is a brand new company that solves a very specific problem for investors. And that problem is the lack of ETF exchange traded fund transparency. If you pick up any ETF prospectus, you will find this very specific paragraph that's demanded by the SEC, is that investors should be aware that there's absolute lack of transparency in terms of the ETF composition. And the ETFs are at will to trade whatever instruments they want, whether it's derivatives, whether it's some exotic instruments with very, very uncertain tail risks that can create a lot of problems for investors in their portfolios. And at this point, these ETFs remain completely opaque and nobody knows what's inside. So investors, when they choose to, let's say, if you're an ESG investor and you choose to invest into that ETF with no tobacco and that advertises no tobacco and no firearms in its composition, you better hope that this ETF is actually sticking to that mantra, and because there's absolutely no guarantees that they will. Okay, so until now, so what our company is doing, we have created, based on many, many years of scientific research, and these are, by the way, the books that I have written behind me, we have created a process, which is artificial intelligence, big data driven process to analyze ETFs and figure out their composition. Okay, so we're going to figure out their composition. We are going to identify the risks that these ETFs carry. And on the basis of that, we're going to help you structure optimal portfolios that would work best given your mission in terms of what kind of ETFs you want to invest into, given a sector or an ESG, and your composition of your current portfolios, so you can minimize the churn rate, you can minimize transaction costs. There's going to be nothing drastic, just additive. Think about it as the portable alpha, but with ETF driven, and it's something that you can understand because we're going to explain to you what we're doing. Okay, so this is the mission of ETF Pick. Please feel free to explore our website. If you're an investor like a VC or private equity, please reach out to us because we are raising money to bring this product to everybody in the market, to all the hedge funds, all the pension funds, all the mutual funds, and all the individual investors. Everybody can benefit from this and increase their return. There's a huge positive externality for the rest of us because, you know, we can actually leave our money in the pension fund and not worry about it during the downtimes. With our product. So we're not going for 10x, we're not going for 20x, we're going for 30x. I'm an experienced entrepreneur. I've had several ventures that have been successful. Our most previous venture was Able Markets, which was an alternative data product, and which is still in existence, and you can look it up. And it's doing very, very well for many, many years now. Prior to that, I ran Able Alpha, which was a high frequency trading shop. And of course, prior to that, I've had a full cycle experience on Wall Street for many, many years with top names and basically doing absolutely everything from software development to trading globalization, to equity research, to ETF research, to foreign exchange trading, to futures and options trading, you name it. I've done it all. And I would love you to join us so we can help you make your money work for you. Okay, so please reach out to me, either if you're a prospective client or an investor. My email is Irene, IRENE, at etfpick.com. And we'd love to hear from you. Thanks, and hope to speak soon. Bye-bye.